Hey, let me show you all the best features of the Xiaomi Watch S3. And first of all, we are going to start from the watch, and after this, I'm going to show you some cool features that you can actually find in the Mi Fitness application. So first of all, I'm going to show you the best settings that we have. So to access the settings, just swipe up, then go into the settings. And now, first of all, as you can see, we got option to connect wireless headphones or earbuds. I'm just using the Redmi Buds 4 Active. So all you have to do is just open the earphones and then connect them from the list. The next useful option will be available right here. We've got actually the quick gestures. So it actually, when you put your watch on the wrist, you can actually twist your wrist like this or move it like that, and you can actually enable. You can link some features to these gestures. So now we've got this rotate wrist, and we can actually okay, I have to just put it on the wrist like this. There we go. I have to try one more time. Come on. Okay, right now it is working. So next I can just scroll down, and from this, as you can see, I've got option to open the voice assistant, open the weather, take the photo, ignore phone call, or reject call. And unfortunately, we've got only 2, 4, 5. We've got only 5 gestures. It looks the same for this shake wrist. But if you want it, you can simply set it up right here. Next, we have to scroll down, and we can customize this down button. So for me, it's actually most useful than these gestures. And as you can see, if you are often using, for example, maybe the Alexa, you can just click on it. And now when you tap on this button, you will actually wake the Alexa on your watch. So that's really cool that we can set it up, any function that we want to this button. Next, when you scroll down, that's basically all from the settings. But now let's focus on the features. So click here to open apps menu. And first of all, let's go from the bottom. We can actually find our phone thanks to the watch. So you have to click here. Now click search, and you can hear that your smartphone is actually playing a sound. Next, we can go up and we can find the stopwatch. So I know it's really simple application, but in my case, when I'm on the gym, it's actually helped me to count the time between each rep and between each set, and that's very useful feature. I just wonder why there's no calculator, because it's also a very simple application, but for some reason we've got stopwatch but we don't have calculator. I miss this application a lot. But yeah, we've got option to take the photos from our smartphone, so you can open the camera on the watch, on the phone, and we can just click on the shutter and take the photo. Next, what is really cool, that we can actually upload music into our watch. And if you want to play music from your watch, you have to click here, then select music source to your watch. And now from this, if you upload any music, you can actually switch between the music and play it. Also, we can control media playback of your phone. So instead of the music source, pick phone. And from here, you can also volume up, volume down, turn the next song to previous song, or play and pause. Also, right here, we can find the sound recorder. You can make the phone calls. That's really important and useful option. But also, we can answer the phone calls. You can add 10 favorite contacts from your phone. You can also pay with this watch. So we've got the Xiaomi Pay. So in the application, you can add cards and you can pay with it. Also, we've got this Alexa voice assistant. And from this, we've got some other features, like we can measure the stress level, the sleep stages, but also we can monitoring our night breathing by enable breathing score. From here, we've got the SpO2 level. Also, you can enable the low SpO2 level. By enable all day tracking, you can set the low SpO2 alerts. From here, we've got also the heart rate. We can set the high and the low heart rate alerts. And from this, we got for sure a lot of different workout modes. Now, when you grab your phone and move into the Mi Fitness application, for example, you can find all of the statistics on the Health tab. You've got sleep, heart rate, steps, calories, whatever you want, you can find it just right here. When you go into the device, you can, for example, set the custom watch faces by going right here. So you can set your own photo. You can pick also the most popular watch faces, so you can download something that other people are also using. And we can also receive all of these notifications from our smartphone into our watch by enable this synchronize all notifications. And that's basically it. So for me, that's all the best features of this watch. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.